Hi GreenStalk gardeners, I'm Susie, lead gardener here at GreenStalk. As the seasons change, one of our most exciting times to plant is in the spring. We're here today to give you a few tips to help you be successful in your spring garden. The most important thing about growing in the GreenStalk is to use nutrient-rich soil. If the soil that you buy does not have nutrients already in it, you need to put granular fertilizer in it as well. I also recommend adding a cup of worm castings. If your soil already has some, you can go straight on into liquid fertilizer later on, or you can go ahead and boost it up with some granular and some worm castings. The other thing that soil in the GreenStalk needs to be is fluffy, so it will drain well. You do not want to use raised bed soil, heavy compost, garden soil. You need to use a potting soil or potting mix that is light and fluffy. Companion planting is another thing that we recommend to our gardeners. It's used to either repel pests or to bring in pollinators. One thing that is widely used is marigolds. Many people put marigolds in their planters to help with that. One thing that I used last year that helped me was rosemary and chives with my brassicas. When I come out to water the planter, I will brush the rosemary, and it puts the scent out in the air, and it masks the smell of the kale or whatever brassicas that you are growing. As you're getting ready for your spring garden, one of the things that we recommend is for you to grow what you love. Plant the flowers that you want to look at, plant the vegetables that you want to eat. Your enthusiasm will stay up throughout the spring, and you'll be so excited to go out and harvest and to look at your flowers throughout the whole spring growing season. We hope these spring gardening tips are helpful. Be sure to check out our lilac color on greenstalkgarden.com. Happy gardening!